First, we have a consultation appointment, so we can examine patients' teeth and determine if they're in fact good candidates for veneers. We also discuss patients' expectations and go through many before and after pictures of our real patients to show them exactly what kind of results we were able to achieve with veneers. Once a decision is made to go ahead with veneers, after that it only takes 2 visits to complete the whole treatment. During the first visit, we gently prepare teeth, we take impressions of the teeth, and also we make temporary veneers that the patients will wear for about 2 weeks while the permanent veneers are being created. During the second visit, we try the veneers on to make sure they fit perfectly and look exactly like the patients want. Then veneers are permanently bonded to the teeth, polished, and the bite is adjusted to make sure veneers would feel as amazing as they look.